This video will show you how you can identify known drug interactions for the proteins in a map. We will demonstrate searches in both directions, finding drugs that target a particular protein, or finding targets of a particular drug. To find drugs targeting a protein of interest, first identify the protein in the map. We can do this quickly by searching for it by name. We will look for COX-2 as an example. Selecting the protein name from the list of suggestions will drop a pin in all instances of this protein in the map. Note that COX-2 is shown with its official gene symbol, PTGS2. Clicking on the pin brings up an information box. This box shows results of drug, chemical, and microRNA searches. There are no active drug searches right now, so the details are still empty. We can click on Show All to find all known drugs targeting this protein. The list of interacting drugs includes links to evidence from the literature. Clicking on one of these links will open up the PubMed page for this manuscript. Clicking on the name of the drug will perform a search for targets of that drug. We'll see how that works in detail now. Before we begin this new search, we'll clear the existing search results. To search for the targets of a drug of interest, switch to the Drug tab and enter the name of the drug in the search box. Here, we will search for targets of aspirin as an example. Clicking on the magnifying glass icon or hitting Enter will run the search and highlight all the targets of aspirin in the map. The sidebar contains detailed information about the drug. The targets for the drug are marked in the map with pins. The targets of aspirin identified here are PTGS1 and PTGS2, also known as COX-1 and COX-2. Clicking on the pin associated with PTGS2 brings up an information box which shows the evidence linking aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, with this protein. Again, to see all of the drugs known to interact with this protein, the Show All box can be checked. The chemical and microRNA searches work in a similar way, but are not the focus of this tutorial. Searching for drug interactions in the context of a molecular pathway map is a powerful way to identify potential targets for pharmaceutical intervention. The structure of the map makes it easy to see how druggable targets are related to downstream reactions of clinical importance. We encourage you to explore the functionality of the map by following the links at https://asthma-map.org.